So I'm not gonna be recording it. Oh, I have this. Wow. Okay, this cars are gonna look clean. By the way, if you don't see, which you probably don't, I have $19,000. Okay. And I have this thing. I'll show you where I can buy my stuff. I bought it here for $250. It was expensive. Trust me. Okay. So now we're gonna just do this. Okay, I'm done that. And okay, putting this on. This guy's gonna look nice. Wait, 12% chance, a limousine. This is gonna look good, trust me. I'm gonna spend a lot of time on this car because it's gonna look nice. Wow. Okay. We're putting all this dress and cleaned it up over there, but there's still some in the back. Like there, that, and that. Oh, right here, too. Didn't see that. Okay. Did I send down the rest? Okay. Now I'm gonna wash this down. Hey, bro. Hey. What's up? Okay. Yeah, if you've been to my channel before, you would know that this guy's in some of my videos. So, yeah. Okay. Now, bro, what are you even doing here? I don't know. Okay. I guess that thing can speak. And now I just have to break this down. And I'll be done, I think. So now I need to get those things. I need 3 doors. 1, 2, 3, and a wheel. Okay. So I'm gonna put this door there. You know what? Why are they? It's shaped like this, but it also goes into the back. Like, huh? And then this is the last thing I have to do. And she'll give me her money. $679. Submit. 5 stars. This is Mustang. Okay. This is crazy. I'm gonna do good here. That's something for sure. Mustangs are cool. And I want to see how this thing would look in the end. Oh, please give me money for this. What happens if I submit this right now? Nah. This is a Mustang, and the rare chance is 8%, okay? I'm not taking my chances. And see, I'm doing that. I'm gonna use my chances and do this. Oh, it's gonna look good in the end, trust me. Oh, okay. This spoiler, bruh. Okay. Put that right there. And that right there. Oh, this one needs gas. Okay, I'm putting the gas in here. Yes, I actually have gas. It was a lot of money, trust me. Okay, I filled you up with the gas. And now I'm going to use my sponge to... Actually, why are you using my sponge? Instead, I'll use this. This is going to be easy. there's still some rust. Sorry. Still some rust. Didn't see this. Let's close this. I'm gonna close this. Did I not see rust? Okay, I didn't, I guess. I was wrong. Now use this. I love this thing so much. He's gonna give me so much money, $455 so far. And now I gotta break all this off. And is that it? Oh, also in the engine. Okay. Doesn't look like it, but I actually broke the engine. Now I'm gonna buy this off. Starting off with one door, one engine, spoiler, and a wheel. So I got enough money for this, luckily. So I got these doors, or door. I only have one, and I only needed, oh, okay, it's rusty, it's rusty. I'm joking, not rusty, it's dirty. Okay, now I'm gonna put this right there. Okay, now I just gotta do the things that were actually very expensive. She's gonna give me about 2K. Okay, this is crazy. 3K? He's giving me $3,000. This is a good job. Oh, this is another of his channels, I think. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. This is gonna be the last car I might be doing. Okay, unless I get like a really rare car next, like that Mustang again, or a limousine. I don't know though. This car's gonna look nice in the end though. Bruh, can I do this? Okay. We're taking away this rust that's very ugly. And put right there, right there. Yo, how do I get to there? Okay. And right there. Bro, I can't get to that. Ah, there you go. Now, let's clean this up. Okay. So, oh, there's still this. I didn't see that. And right here, and there. Oh my god, if this doesn't, okay, there you go. Now we're gonna take this all off. What? Okay. Oh, I didn't see this. Now I got gas. I'm gonna put this in here. It says it's 0%, the fuel of the car. And okay, I've done that. I'm gonna need to break this all. Oh my god, there's a lot I'm gonna be breaking. Ugh, I literally broke nothing. Huh. So now I'm gonna need one wheel and 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna do the doors first. Okay, done that. Now I just need to do this wheel, and this should be done. $1,000. Okay, I'll finish this. This is crazy. a 2%. I need to do this. I have to. I'm not ending the video until I finish this banana car. It's a banana zana. I need to do this, bro. This is rare. If I don't do this, I'm gonna be so mad. If this, I'm gonna get a lot of money. I need to do this. This is actually so cool. This car. Okay. Take those last bits. Okay. We're gonna do this. Oh, I'm doing every part. 600 already? This thing must have costed a lot of money. And then it got very dirty. Now I want one of these in real life. If they're real. $792 for this already. Yo. Okay, so I'm finishing this fast. And okay. Done that. Right there and there. Yo, this is crazy. $1,000 and I didn't even finish cleaning it all up yet. Okay, this is gonna be crazy money. Oh, I want this to look nice, honestly. I kind of want to see the finished job. Like, actually, I want to see it a lot. I think they brought this guy here because they saw I'm the best person in town to do this. I'm the best repairer in town. So they chose me. So 2 wheels and 2 and a windshield. It'll be worth it, trust me. Okay, so I'm gonna put this there and put that there. And right here, the job's finished. Okay. Please tell me this is great, bro. I kind of want to drive this. It's a 3-seater. So 4K. I'm ending the video here. So if you want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe and click one on the screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Bye.